Now we are going to install Windows applications. For that, I need to select Apps and then select the platform here with Windows. Here you can see that we don't have any applications right now for Windows. So I need to select Create. And just let you know that for this project, we will be just installing or adding Microsoft 365 applications with the whole package, and at the same time Microsoft Edge. So now I'm going to install or add this Microsoft 365 apps. I'm selecting Windows 10 in later, and then select. So everything normally added by Microsoft itself, like all the information here are added. But if you would like to make some changes or customize as per your requirements, you can do it here. For example, suit name, you can change the name, but I'm not changing it. It's like I'm keeping this way. The description, publisher, it's not changeable. Anyway, category, you need to select the category. The application is related to which category. So I'm just keeping everything by default. Show this as a featured app in company portal. If I click yes, then this application will be showing at the top in company portal as a featured app. But right now I'm just selecting no. Information URL, everything should be kept as a default. Owner is Microsoft. Notes, if you would like to put some notes here, you can add it. Logo, not changing, and clicking next. Here are some settings that you need to select from the options that we have. Normally, configuration settings is configuration designer and selecting Office apps. So we do have options to select which kind of apps you are installing or adding. You need to like select customize from here. I don't want access. I don't need publisher. Well, the rest is okay. Select other Office apps, license required. If you would like some other applications from Office, then we do have these options. You can select from the Let's Project Online Desktop Client and Visual Online Plan Tool, but you should have the license for these two applications. In app suites information, you need to select the architecture for the application, whether that's 64 or 32-bit. Default file format is normally Office Open Document format. And this is the most important thing, that is update channel. You need to select the update channel for your Office 365 apps, so it will be automatically updated from the store. We do have 3 channels, current one, monthly enterprise channel, and semi-annual enterprise. The difference is current channel. When I select the current channel, it means whether that any kind of updates are available, any features are available for Microsoft 365, it will be automatically pushed to the user. But current channel, okay, monthly enterprise channel, it means the updates will be available on the monthly basis. And semi-annual enterprise channel, it is something like the updates will be available on the annual basis. I am selecting current one. In here, you do have option remove other versions. If you'd like to remove other options, yes. If no, then select no. Version to install, so recommended way is latest. So I would like to install the latest version of this Microsoft 365 applications. But if you can specify it for latest version, so you can specify it from here. But latest version should be selected. In the properties, use shared computer activation. If you would like to use this applications with a shared computer, then you need to select the yes button. Accept the Microsoft software license terms on behalf of users, yes. And install background service for Microsoft Search Bank, yes. Here we do have options to select or install some other languages, but by default, it will be installed all the languages of the operating system. So if you need some extra languages, so you can install it from here. And then next. So I'm not assigning right now to the end user this application. I'm just adding the application to my Microsoft Intune environment. I will be doing assignment of the applications to end users later on the other videos, but now I'm just skipping this part. Next, you can review all this information and then create. It seems the application is successfully created. Assign applications to at least one group. Okay, we will be doing the assignment later on, but yeah, we have added applications here. Let me just refresh. It will take time to be visible in the list. Okay, so until this application added completely, I'm going to add Microsoft Edge at the same time. So for Microsoft Edge, we are like doing the same steps, coming here, and I'm selecting Microsoft Edge and select. We should keep all these information same. There is nothing should be changed, and everything is very simple and straightforward. I'm just selecting next. In here, we do have the stable beta and diff update channels. So for this one, we do have like different kind of channels, but for the updates on Microsoft Edge, but we should select the stable one. This is the recommended way. Here is a bit of explanation of the different kind of channels for Microsoft Edge. The stable one is how often updated with new features. It's 4 weeks. Beta is 4 weeks, and Dev is on weekly basis. The stable channel is intended for broad deployment in our organization, and it's the channel that most users should be on this channel. And the beta channel is for production deployment to a representative sample set of users normally. And the dev channel is to help you plan, develop with the latest capabilities of Microsoft Edge, but with higher quality than the canary channel. So you can find all this information in Microsoft documentation as well, but I'm just right now selecting the stable one. And the operating system in the language is taking from operating system languages, but if you prefer some specific one, you can select it from here. Logo is the same. Next, and then I'm not doing assignment right now. Next, and here you can review all these stuff here and then create. Well, it's now downloading or adding the applications to Microsoft Intune environment. See, we have now Microsoft 365 apps for Windows 10 and later in the list. And the same Microsoft Edge will be as well visible here. So we have successfully added Microsoft 365 in Microsoft Edge applications for Windows apps.